the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Go to a party,
Baaks party.
and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady
Winnie Auntie.
who's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. And I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Mr. Drix from the guitar. Single pa lang na ito eh.
It's the time to go home now, and I've got an aching head, so I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, and say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, oh my darling, wonderful.
Yeah, hey, thank you so much para dyan nag-request.